Hey, what's going on, guys? Blank here, and welcome to the sixth episode of the Entry to Exit series. And today is February 5, February 5, 2025, 9:27 p.m. So, 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open. So, I'm just waiting for an opportunity. So, today I will just look on gold and US 30 as usual. And my goal for today is not for today, but my main goal for the whole week is to pass my practitioner challenge, which is the second phase of the 5K account that I took on funding tips. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm just waiting for an opportunity. But right now, I am seeing a sell opportunity on gold because we are very much in an uptrend since last night. So if you haven't watched my previous episode, which is the fifth episode of this series, yesterday I had a good win on gold. So I almost passed my challenge, but I am still short for like around $90 on the target profit. But yeah, I will update you guys once I see any setup. So guys, I am seeing a supply setup on gold. I saw this setup earlier, but as you can see earlier, I've labeled this as a liquidity, and now it has been taken out. And yeah, I just have to be careful with this 15-minute demand zone because we are still in a bullish trend, and if I will see like a rejection and a break of a candle here, I might buy because this is also in a 0.618 and 0.705 level, which is my area of interest usually. So that's pretty much my analysis, but yeah, I have to be careful on this. But if ever I see a rejection and a break of a candle, then I might go for the sell. So 10 minutes after, I think this supply zone won't hold. um I am I am a little bit iffy with this liquidity. As you can see, this is a range, and for me this looks like a liquidity as well as this level because many retail traders will go for sells right here. But so meaning this level is now a liquidity and this level is now liquidity. And if I were to sell, I do not see any liquidity to take. That's why I'm a little bit iffy with the supply setup. I might just scalp this trade if ever. So I'm just waiting for the break of the candle, and then I will enter. So first, 0.5% because I don't want to give away the representation. So I'm just still waiting. So that's the break. I'm gonna go for sell. My take profit could be this level, but we will see. There's another supply setup right there. I hope that this candle closes below, because that's a good indicator. So my stop loss is around, that's huge. That's a huge stop loss. This one. Let's see this candle. It didn't close below, which I do not like. I don't like that. Let's see. Let's see the warning. Yep, don't look so. Yep. Okay, you're having a sell-off. Guys, I don't know why the chart in Match Trader is not the same on the chart on TradingView. Maybe it's because of the broker that I'm using. I don't know, but I'm liking the trade, and I think I'm gonna add positions right here. So I'm now risking 1%. I'm now risking 1%, guys. So this whole level is also liquidity. So let's see what will happen. So guys, as you can see, the price is losing momentum to the upside. It's just having some consolidation on this demand zone, but I have to be aware. I still have to be aware because the overall trend is bullish. So my confirmation to close the trade and accept my losses is when price breaks through this and closes above this level. So that's my confirmation to close the trade and accept my loss. Yeah, I think I need to close now. Yeah, I'm gonna be closing my position, guys. So that's a loss, but it's just around 0.25. And let me just see if I can take another chance. I am tempted to get to take buys from here because this is the area of interest that I labeled earlier. So I'm still unsure, bruh. I'm still unsure. Let me just watch the price before I take any trades again. So we have news in about 1 hour. PMI. I really think that this liquidity will be taken, bro. I am sure with that. Okay, so I might take a chance here. Once this candle breaks this high, I will buy. Oh no! It lagged, bro. Oh no! I took 2 positions. So guys, I double clicked my my position, so now I'm risking 1%. But it's looking good. So my first target is this liquidity, and then I will go for break even. So guys, as you can see, just an update, we hit full TP on this trade, but what happened was when I saw this rejection on this resistance zone, after this candle close right here, I closed all my positions. So that was my first trade, right around 1:1.5 and then after that, when I saw, let me just remove this supply zone. Then after that, when I saw a rejection on this demand zone, so we have a demand setup right there. When I saw a rejection on the demand zone, I entered again with half of my position, so just like that, and then I just waited for price to come around here, and then after some rejection again right around there, I closed again my position. And then after that, I saw a US30 setup. So on US30, again, my strategy on US30 is liquidations. So if there was no news earlier, I will take this sell because it was a liquidation of these equal highs. So if I were to take the sell, I will close above right around here. But anyways, I didn't took that position. But after that liquidation, I saw another liquidation. So if you can see on the 15-minute time frame, this is a liquidation. So after a liquidation, it will go to the other side. So that's why I bought around here on the 5-minute. This was my first position, and then right around, actually I entered right around here. Yeah, so it's around 1.5 hour actually. So when it did this rejection, I closed again the position. So I will show you guys my history. So these were the positions that I took. So first, our first trade is around break even, but actually 0.4 are 0.4% up. I mean, yeah, 0.4% is our first trade, so it was a loss. And then this whole buy of gold is the same setup. It's just that I closed earlier, and then actually that was my error. I should have let this runner run and then add another position on the supply zone that I mean demand zone that I showed earlier, which is this one, this demand zone. So that was my error. And then the last trade, I think there was no error on this because on US30, again, I do not trade. I usually don't trade supply and demand on US30. It's more of a liquidation setups. So it was a big win. So it's around, overall today I made around 113 US dollars. So I only need $15 to pass the second phase of this challenge. So now that's pretty much the trades that I took. So we are in a win streak, US30 plus gold trades. And yeah, that's pretty much the 6th episode of the entry to exit series. And be sure to like or subscribe, guys, if you like this video, and comment down below any suggestions or improvements on my videos. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.